Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to another episode of J&P Tuning. In today's video, we are heading out to go check out a potential vehicle that we will be purchasing. We'll be adding into the fleet because I'll be needing a daily. So anyways, guys, stay tuned and hopefully you'll enjoy this one. Here's the possible project car, guys. So a little work on the headlights. Oh, the alarm went on, I think. And this is the sprayed the bumper a little bit there. Is that an alarm?
I think it's because I left the car.
Oh, okay. Oh, with the
Yeah, there you go.
it was good. A little touch up there. Just missing.
I was just talking to your mom and your sister. I didn't even know, Tito. I want to be a car person.
Yeah. Well, as you guys can see in the next video here, we actually took the car for a drive, and since I haven't been driving a manual for a while, I took Denzel along with me to do the test drive for me. We pretty much just saw some issues with the car, especially on the takeoff. If you are trying to peel off on the first gear, there's a bit of grinding sound happening there. So you'll see it in this next video here.
So if I go to the shop. Do you hear that?
Yeah. What is that?
So when I go slowly, it's fine.
Fine, but when you are...
Let's see, if I over rev. Yeah, it seems
Yeah.
like it's having a hard time keeping up with the
Yeah.
RPM. So like this one, you want to maintain your speed, right? I just rev matched it. You can hear the zoom, zoom, zoom.
Yeah, what is that? Like in the first gear, right?
Yeah, so we can try again in the thing here.
Okay, yeah, you just keep going straight.
Yeah, even if I just go a little bit more than 2,
Yeah.
it sounds like that. I think it just wants it to stay within under 2 or something.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll ask them about that. Well, in terms of the grinding sound, guys, I did a little bit of research here and found out that it's actually a prone issue on a lot of these SIs. You just have to baby the car when you take off on first gear. I guess, I don't know if you're trying to peel off that hard. I'm not sure how bad it would be to, have that grinding and vibration sound in the process. I'm sure we could rectify that at some point in time. But anyways, in the next video here, actually, I was able to take the car in the shop and put it up on the lift to inspect the car further. So anyways, guys, well, we're underneath the car now. You guys can see there's some rust and oil moisture here going on. We have to investigate that a little further. Yeah, it's possibly coming from this side of thing here. It's really hard to see, but yeah, we shall see. As you guys can see there, it's quite a bit of oil going on there. Other than that, the rest of the car here, it's a normal wear and tear, especially the winter we're having here in Calgary. These parts are a little rusted, but nothing in the body, I would say here. Seems fair. Yeah, I don't see anything here at all in the pinch weld. Well, here's the right at the pulley now, and that's where the oil leak is coming from. It looks like it could be the check plate for the timing belt. With the further investigation of the car, having to have it on the lift and the whole 9 yards, I was able to actually negotiate with the seller a little bit more. I'm super stoked on how much I purchased this car basically in the process. Now I have wiggle room to actually fix all those things that needs to be done on the car, and it's still in the right amount thereafter. Here's the new addition to the fleet, guys. We got our Honda Civic Si 2012. As you guys can see from the front here, not too bad. We do have some chips, rock chips, that is somewhat touched up already, but we're gonna try and fix those up. The headlights is horrible condition here, guys. I'm not sure if I can actually salvage this thing and see if we can sand it down and make it shiny again. Both sides, the grill looks okay. Down here, one of our fog lights is literally shattered there. The other side somewhat intact, but I think the glass is broken, so we're gonna replace that and put an order on a brand new fog light. The first owner, because I'm the third owner of this vehicle now, just registered today. They did a plastic dip spray to block in that area there, but it's starting to peel off, so I'm gonna try and clean that up. You probably just pressure wash it and get it out all the way to the grill there. Looking good. The body in general is not so bad. It's in okay condition. We got one dent that we need to address here. As you can see here, reflection wise, there's not much dent on this side, just a few little ones. We do have some cracking on the weather stripping. It's just probably because it's been parked outside quite a bit, so they do brittle up at some point in time if they're not parked in the garage. There's a small scratch here. We also need the new brakes. We got our rust from probably rock hitting that, being that it's the driver's side, and exposed a little bit more on this side of the car. There's a few chips there that needs to be addressed. It's starting to rust out a little bit. It's missing the mud guard here, so we got to get a mud guard for that. We're missing the cover. We do have it there, but it's broken, so can't really put it back. So we'll see if I can get a replacement. Back here, there's a bit of a hit. Somehow someone crashed into the back here, scratch and dented the bumper a little bit there. It's really hard to notice. Again, another plastic dip situation going on. I don't know what the heck they're doing. The original owner sprayed on that plastic dip there for some reason. Towards the other side here, it's a bit more in better shape. There's just one dent somewhere around there. I like the fact that it says IV Tech double overhead cam. Yeah, we got our nice 18-inch rims, OEM ones. It's just rusting out here now, probably from rock chips. I don't know how we can address that. Oh, that's a nice emblem there saying SI. Got a small rock chip there, needs to be filled. Opening the hood with one hand, and the other hand with camera here. It's a bit tricky, but okay, there we go. Really filthy, guys. Pretty dirty. Definitely needs some cleaning here for sure. It's a bit of some spillage. We're gonna definitely shampoo this thing and make it look nice. Belt are starting to kind of gray out there. They're usually black. Yeah, there's a bit of crack in I could see some crack there, so maybe we could replace that soon. I don't want to risk it. Might as well. They're so cheap, but it's so yeah, so dusty and grungy in here. Definitely we're gonna spray this out and clean it. We have our 2.4 liter double overhead cam IV Tech engine, this baby, with a solid 6-speed transmission. It's one of the best transmission that Honda have, so I heard. So yeah, anyways guys, in terms of the back, let me open the rear a little bit. I got one remaining key. I don't know if I can get They have an auto release there for the rear, so which is kind of nice. So the trunk is pretty good, just needs some cleaning. Pretty good space. That's pretty clean overall. Spare tire, all the stuff we need, and do a bit of cleaning here for the trunk. To open our gas fuel door there, it opens up that, and then to open the back again, the trunk, you pull it up. It's a little different, but nonetheless it's pretty good. From the inside point of view, guys, it's fairly filthy. As you guys can see, definitely the car needs a total detailing work. The seats are in pretty rough shape. They're not too bad. I mean, they're used definitely, but hopefully we can salvage some of this cloth and see if we can revitalize it a little bit in the process. The driver's side looks pretty good. The dash, steering wheels, again, it's worn out. Buttons are worn out here, but hopefully we can either replace those at some point or repaint it. The passenger side seems like never been used so much. The pedals are it's an SI model, so it has that nice metal plating there. And one thing I love about this car is that really nice. I really like the shifter here. I really like the way it looks. It's low enough, and the stitching, the red stitching is awesome on this regard. The back, we got a tinted windows. It's a bit dark. Let me open the rear, show you how the condition is on the back. Again, it needs cleaning for sure. Yeah, it's fairly filthy, so we're gonna do a thorough cleaning for sure on this baby. So anyways, well, I hope you guys are excited as I am on this new vehicle that we have on the fleet. And stay tuned in the next episodes, because we're going to be doing a full service on this car. We will be replacing a lot of things in there that really needs sprucing, like the headlights and the fog lights. And we have pretty much got those ordered. Full service, guys. All the fluids in this car will be replaced, and you will be seeing some series of videos on that. So anyways, guys, stay tuned. Peace out.